Let's look at the employee exempt income, the income that is not taxed. Yeah, there is that income that employees receive, but it is not taxed. Yeah, and the first one is passage costs. For example, recruitment and relocation costs of employing a non-citizen from outside Uganda. For example, if you're employing someone from Tanzania and you pay them money to help them so that they can move from Tanzania to Uganda so that they can work for you, that money is not taxed. Another one is any reimbursement or discharge of an employee's medical expenses. If you spend on your medical things, like if you get sick and you are somewhere deep in the village while at work and you pay using your own money, when you come back you claim for payment, and if they pay you back that money that you spent on yourself when you were doing office work, that money is not taxed. It is exempt from tax. And then any premium or any other amount paid for medical insurance. Any amount that they pay for the employee's medical insurance or his dependents, it is not taxed, it is exempt from tax. Another exemption is any discharge or reimbursement of expenditure incurred on behalf of the employer, which expenditure serves the proper business purposes of the employer. Like maybe if you go to do business work somewhere up country and then you reach there when you need more money than the money that they gave you for business. So you decide to use your own money for business. Then when you come back, they give you back that money. When they give it to you back, that money is not taxed. Another exemption is any amount paid as a premium for insurance other than by a tax exempt employer on the life of an employee. So if the employer pays your premium of insurance, that money is also not taxed. It is exempt from tax. Another one is any allowance given for actual costs of accommodation, travel, meals and refreshments while undertaking travel in the course of performing duties of unemployment. If they if they if they give you maybe money to travel to go to Dubai, but when you're going to Dubai to do office work, that money is not taxed. Then the meals and refreshments at work, they're also not taxed if they're provided for everyone. And then the accommodation, if you're at work when it does not benefit you in other way, it is also not taxed. Then another exempt is the value of staff welfare or any meal or refreshments provided to employees on an equal basis in premises operated by or on behalf of the employer solely for the benefit of the employees. If they give you food at work, like inside work, not outside the workplace, if they pay for that for your meals as an employee, it is not taxed. And if it is given to everyone, not only to specific people, that one is not taxed. But if they give meals to only maybe the CEO, the directors and the managers, that one is taxed. Another exempt income is any benefit provided of which the total value is less than 10,000 per month. If they give you any benefit that is less than 10,000, it is 9,900. When it is 8,000, 5,000, that one is also not charged to tax. Another exemption is a contribution for the benefit of an employee made by the employer to a retirement fund. If the employer contributes to your retirement fund, that money is also exempt from tax. Another exemption is that 25% of any amount derived as compensation for termination of any contract of employment which has lasted for 10 years and above. So if you've had a contract maybe for 10 years and then out of the blue they terminate it, then they compensate you for terminating that contract. The compensation that they have given you 25% of it is taxed. Sorry, 25% is exempt from tax, but the rest is taxed.